Meaning of dishonesty.
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 Dishonesty. Dishonesty refers to the quality of being deceitful or untruthful in one's actions or words. When someone is dishonest, they betray the trust of those around them and can cause harm or damage to relationships, businesses, and society as a whole. Dishonesty can take many forms, from lying and cheating to stealing and manipulating others for personal gain. The result of dishonesty can be far-reaching and damaging, including loss of trust, reputation, and credibility, as well as legal consequences such as fines, imprisonment, or other penalties.